Hey kiddos, so this is the first video for help. So if you chose bronze, this is a helpful video for you to complete bronze. All right, so where do we begin? So let's go over the we do together. Now, as I'm writing in, you're again going to type wherever you see highlighted spaces. So just keep that in mind. So the question, is the point -2, -1 a solution to the system? So before we begin to check, let's go over. What is the x value? So remember, in a coordinate, it goes x comma y. So that means the x value is -2 and the y value is -1. Notice I'm writing this in. What you're doing is you are typing it. Okay, again, wherever you see highlight, you are typing. So how do we test? So wherever I see this blue y, that means I'm plugging that in wherever I see y. So in equation 1, it was there. In equation 2, it was here. Now, our x is that yellow. So wherever I see x or that yellow space, I'm putting in a -2. Now remember, everything else just gets brought down. So I bring down the 3, I bring down my 5. In equation 2, I bring down a 2, I bring down the 4, and I can't tell if that's supposed to be, oh, this is a typo. This was supposed to be a 10. Okay, cool. Let's keep going. So now what do? I need to simplify. Now remember, this is a little not lined up, so I'm just going to make a little squiggly wherever I see my equal sign. So that way we can keep our left side from our right side. All right, so on my left side, I notice that -1 is by itself. So there's nothing I can simplify there. So I'm just going to bring that down. On the right side, I have all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and type that into my calculator. Let me pause and get my calculator. Okay. I have my calculator, so I'm typing in 3 parentheses -2 plus 5, and that gets me -1. So I ask myself, do they equal each other? The answer is yes. Okay, let's continue. So now I see in equation 2, this side is the side I need to type into my calculator. So again, I'm going to pause and go ahead and do that. Okay, so when I do that side, I got 0, and then on my right side, I have nothing to simplify, so I just bring down that 10. We ask ourselves, are these equal? The answer is no. 0 does not equal 10. All right, so now we need to ask ourselves the question that was being asked in the beginning. So we need to go back to the question. Is the point a solution to the system? So what makes something a solution? Let's go ahead and look at our word bank over here. Okay, so in order for something to be a system, does one equation need to be true? Both equations need to be true, or neither equations to be true? So the correct answer is both equations. So are both equations true in this case? No, they're not. Only my equation 1 was true. So this one was true, this one was false. So that means this point is not, well, let me use a different color. That one's hard to see. So is not a solution because, and then we use A, B, or C, and in this case, it is A because only one equation is true. Again, I am handwriting this in, but you are typing wherever you see my responses. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you are going to do the you do exactly like we just did, and you're going to try this on your own. When you are done, you are going to go to slide number 6, and you are going to try bronze number 2. On this slide, there is no video, but there is an example to follow, and then you are going to try this one on the right. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us and email. Good luck!